Dr. Shiny Das, your study abroad success coach. I have 20 years of experience as an international scholarship student, professor, and parent. As the founder of the Study Abroad Success Academy, my mission is to qualify Indian students, especially those from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, to access and afford a world-class education at top global institutions. Offering free workshops in colleges and universities as a New Year gift to students. Why should you join this workshop? Every year, 13 lakh Indian students embark on their journey abroad for higher education. But here is the reality. 26 lakh students apply and only half of them succeed. Why? Most students face hurdles like confusing application processes, incomplete information, and lack of proper guidance. But don't worry, that's exactly why I have created this workshop for you. By attending this free workshop, you will unlock 6 powerful takeaways that will set you apart. 1. Discover the advantage of studying abroad in your personal and professional life. 2. Find your perfect fit, country, college, and course tailored to your goals. 3. Craft winning SOPs and application essays. 4. Unlock funding opportunities to make studying abroad affordable for you. 5. Decode standardized tests like SAT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS, and build confidence. 6. Get your roadmap to success. Walk away with a clear plan to prepare and submit winning applications. But that's not all. This workshop is just the beginning. You will also get access to the Study Abroad Starter Pack designed exclusively for action takers like you. What is in the Starter Pack? It's another gift for you awaiting to be discovered in the workshop. So what's next? Scan the QR code and register for the workshop now. Bring along your enthusiasm and positive mindset, because this workshop is going to be a life-changing experience for you. Don't forget to take notes, ask me questions, and make the most of this opportunity. See you at the workshop.